guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xanthe Naomi if you're new, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I removed polygel nails. So the set I'm wearing right now was my first attempt at polygel nails, and as you can see it was a hot mess, okay? And I needed to remove them as soon as possible. I tried to find a video on YouTube that would teach me how to remove them, but all the videos that were available were either using just a file completely or using a drill, and I don't have a drill and I didn't at this time, and I really did not want to invest in buying one, so I just came up with a strategy that I thought would work for myself. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have somewhere you can do this. I would recommend putting down a towel just because it kind of gets a bit messy and you want to avoid as much mess as possible. So next I'm going to take a file and making sure that it's a hard one. You don't want a flimsy file while doing this just because you want to be not as rough, but you want it to be more rough because you're trying to get rid of polygel and it is kind of hard to get rid of. So I'm just going to take my file and file down my nails as much as possible. Like I said before, this was my first attempt at doing polygel nails, and it wasn't like extremely horrible for my first time, but I knew that I could definitely do better. So I wanted to remove this set so I could try again. And I did, and I think I was pretty successful the next time around. If you're interested in seeing how that set came out, I'll put the video in the cards above right now. And you can check that out after this video. One thing I definitely recommend when doing any kind of service like nails, lashes, or even hair is having patience with yourself and not giving up on that first try. I know it can be discouraging when you don't get it on the first try, but the more you practice and do it with patience, the better you'll get at any craft. So if you're interested in learning how to do polygel nails, I definitely recommend trying a few times and giving it a real chance. So after I filed down my nails, this is how it's looking. And for the most part, I think I got rid of most of it, but not quite. So I went on Amazon, of course, my favorite place to go. And I found this gel remover, and I think it was like less than $10. I'm not sure, but I'll link everything in the description box down below. So I'm just going to use a bowl for this part, and I'm going to pour about 25% of the bottle into the bowl. And then I'm going to soak my hands in for about 20 minutes. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, this stung, but I had to be a champion if I wanted to get this stuff off, okay? But after like 20 seconds, it didn't sting anymore. And I think it was because I had filed my nails so much and just cut my cuticles. So this is how my nails are looking after soaking for about 20 or 30 minutes. And like my hands were so dry after this, but I'll fix that later on. Next, I'm going to take this tool, and to be honest with you, I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll link it down below. And I just pushed the remaining gel off of my nails. I applied some pressure, but not too much. You want to be careful not to cut yourself during this process. So this process did take some time, and I would say about 15 to 20 minutes, but you want to be patient so that you ensure you're getting as much product off as possible. I also used the other tool, I think it's called tweezer, I'm not sure, but I also used that. So I had to put my hand back in the solution and soaked for an additional like 5 more minutes because the product had hardened again. So these are how my nails are looking after I moved all the product, but you guys know my hands are dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some lotion and cuticle oil to my cuticles. This is the final result. I did get most of the product off, but there was still about, I would say 3 to 5% of it left, but it didn't matter to me because I was going to apply a new set right after this. So this is how the new set came out, and if you want to see how I did that using polygel nails, it will be in the cards for you. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.